Hi guys, we're live 5:24 p.m. Oh, a bunch of winners to this or something. Let's see, 500. No, okay, just one winner. This is in. We'll do a dice roll of a 10 or greater. Do it 12 times. Good luck, guys. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 times. That's the 12 next flag wins. There you go, Ray Barajas Jr. Congratulations, spot number 1. Or there's no spot numbers, but yeah, 12 rounds on the dice. Ray Barajas Jr. the top spot. Verification code is here. 5:24 p.m.